Hey there, I just finished putting together this quilt top and I wanted to share a little peek with you. This is my newest pattern, Faefolk, and the pattern will be coming out late this summer. The version you're seeing here is made with my Everlush fabric collection, which just arrived and is now available at Meander Make. Everlush is full of florals, soft tones, rich details. I'm loving working with it right now. It's so summery. I made the 68 by 82 inch size, which is perfect for a cozy throw or to drape across a bed. And this quilt is so beginner friendly. It's all straight line sewing, no tricky angles or curves, just simple strip piecing, which makes it a super approachable quilt, even if it's your very first quilt. You'll mostly need a stack of fat quarters to make this pattern. The block centers and cornerstones all match throughout the quilt, which adds a sense of balance and helps tie everything together. That said, the rest of the quilt is a great chance to play with color. If you like a scrappy look, you can really mix it up here. It's very flexible, and the bigger block sizes makes fabric placement shine. Because of how it's constructed, Faefolk is a quick one. Definitely what I'd call a weekend quilt. You're basically strip piecing 9 patches, and that's always such a satisfying and relaxing sew. I will be releasing Faefolk pattern toward the end of the summer, and I'll have kits and fabric bundles available when the time comes. For now though, if you're already dreaming up your own version, the Everlush collection is ready and waiting at Meander Make. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see your version of Faefolk once it's out in the world. Improve your quilting skills? Join Quilt Class for just $15 a month. You'll get a new pattern, step-by-step demos, and access to a supportive quilting community. Learn, create, and connect, all from the comfort of your home. Sign up today.